Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to translate your Pinduoduo from Chinese to English, but first let me show you what I got from this app. So this is a package that I ordered a few weeks ago, and then I received it in like a few days because I used Elite Express for this consignment. So in case you're wondering what this is, so these are SIM ejectors for your phone and a phone holder for creating content. So these are the SIM ejectors I bought. From the previous video you can tell how much I bought these ones, so I'm not gonna say much about this one. And then there are 100 of them, so I have to store them in these plastic containers that I ordered also a few months back. And then apart from this one, I also ordered another item. Let me show you in a bit what that is. So this is a phone order. So this phone order is for creating content. From the plastic you can see it has a base and the wing and some phone holders and a ring light. So this is what I will be using most of the time to create content. It's kind of pushed inside right now, but let me try and plug it in and see if it's working. So if I turn it on, you can see from there it's turning on, and everything seems to be working properly. I connected it to my power bank. So yeah, that's what was inside. So let me just organize it, and then here is how it looks like after I assembled it. And from the look of things, it looks very solid, and I'm happy for this consignment. Okay, so I'm going to show you quickly how you can turn your Pinduoduo from this into English. So what you're going to do is, you see down there, you're going to click on your account. Then on your account right here, you're going to see where it's, the settings icon is on the top. So you just click on this, and then from here you're going to count 6. So from the top, 1 2 3 4 5, the number 6 is the one that you're going to click on, like that. And then after you do that, you see the second option from the top, 1 2, that's where you're going to click. And then here you're going to see English, and just click on English, and then click on the red button right here, and just a few seconds and your whole Pinduoduo account is in English, and you are able to know exactly what you're buying and all the necessary information that you need to know. So thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in my next one. Bye bye.